Cowling tabs and gear glued. First, I'll work on cowling tabs. I mix some JB Weld to glue the tabs. The tabs are made out of spruce. I cut them out of regular 2x4. I set the tab half and clamp it. I do the same for all the tabs. After a couple of minutes, I can remove the clamps. I fit the upper half and drill the holes. I am using blind nuts, but before I pull them in tight, I use smaller bit to pre-drill the holes. Otherwise, the blind nut will crack the tab. I mix JB Weld again and set the blind nuts in. I drive the screws in to pull the plates against the tab. Also to clean the glue from the threads. I added some more tabs at the front. From this position I can remove the cowling with the spinner on. Then I make some aluminum circles. Those will cover the exhaust holes. I'll rivet them in place later on. Finally, it's time to glue the hard points for the landing gear. I mix epoxy with cotton fiber to get structural glue. I keep the glue on the wet side, so it flows easier into the gaps and bonds good into the wood. At last, I apply a couple of layers of fiberglass. This corner seems to be strong. Hopefully strong enough to keep the gear in place. That's all for today, and more coming soon.